Hello everyone, welcome to Six Flags Great Adventure. Today we are here for another Jersey Devil construction update. The first one since the park has reopened because they're prepping the construction site again, meaning soon we will have some construction to look at again. So I want to show you guys what they've left off from inside the park, and I also want to show you guys some things that are hot in the park that are being put together right now, because that is only 1 weekend away. So let's go. So guys, we are now over at Jersey Devils area, and I just wanted to make it clear that this is a little bit outdated by like a few days, because actually starting on Saturday, November 7th, the Jersey Devil construction crew are back on site. So this is showing you the prep work. So in this like little area, we're going to show you some prep work they were doing. The most updated thing I will have, another construction update will be coming out soon, because I'm going to go out to the park on Wednesday and I'm going to film some stuff for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Nothing has really changed in this footage since we last looked at the park, but I wanted to show you guys a different angle because it's been a few months since update number 7. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you guys at the end of the video. So guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, of course. And make sure to follow my Instagram at New Jersey Coasters for updated stuff on Jersey Devil before update comes out if you really want. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Peace.